Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing a strong source image and duplicating the background so you can always revert. Increase exposure slightly and boost contrast to open midtones. This creates the broad light plane's Ghibli uses. Once done, warm the white balance by a few degrees to favor golden hues. Make a gentle tone curve S-shape to lift highlights and deepen shadows. This yields the soft cinematic base. Keep adjustments subtle. This preserves texture while setting the cartoonish yet natural foundation. You now shape the palette to match Ghibli's gentle pastels. Adjust HSL to warm greens and lift blues so skies feel vast. Make targeted saturation cuts to avoid neon colors. Next, apply a gradient map with peach to cyan midtones and set it to soft light at low opacity to tint the image uniformly. Then add a tiny amount of film grain and a hairline Gaussian blur to remove photo sharpness. This mimics painted edges. Finally, paint in selective color boosts with a soft brush to guide the eye. You finish by crafting handcrafted light. Paint soft rim highlights and subtle bloom where the sun hits, using an overlay layer and low opacity to keep things believable. Once those glow layers are set, selectively sharpen eyes or textures with a masked high pass so you preserve the painted softness elsewhere. When exporting, convert to the target color space and save a high-quality TIFF or JPEG. Make a test print to check for shifts. If colors look flat, raise local contrast slightly. This usually fixes washed tones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.